All right, what's happening, everybody? Yeah, we had another. What word can I use? We just go with interesting day, morning in the market today. You see, right now we're working on a nice little, some nice little doji action. Um, yeah, so we had a bit of the price action has been kind of been all over the place so far this morning. And as a result of that, the price action were more so um, with me just not being focused. I don't know. I was kind of off my game today, and I had somewhat of an emotional morning that I ended up blowing up my live account. Uh, well, it was a small account anyway, and then all the struggles I had this for this month, all the losses added up. So it wasn't one big trade that took me out, just a lot of um, small, but relatively small trades that just a lot of back-to-back losers in a row. And the main reason for that is just me. You know, I was hesitant to take some trades. I didn't take some. I passed on some trades that would have been winners. I made a lot of mistakes and was way too passive this month with my trading. So as a result, I ended up, trading my account down to where I can't take any more um, trades on anything, any futures contract because of the margin requirements. It's not at zero, but it's low enough to where I can't take any more trades. So I'm going to, I put some more money back in there, but I'm going to probably, well, actually, I'm going to take a week off pretty much, because I'm going to be going to the province. I'm pretty much on a vacation to where our family here in the Philippines lives, um, to their home. What can I like their hometown? So I'm not gonna have the best internet out there. So next week I'm not gonna have any posts or anything like that, because I can't really depend on the internet there. I don't really know how reliable it's gonna be. I've been there before, like years ago, and the internet wasn't that great. So I'm not expecting to do, I'm definitely not gonna be able to make any posts next week. And if depending on how the internet is, I may trade in TS Trader, and I keep you guys updated. I still update my website, so you can still go to my website and see the progress. Matter of fact, while we here, you go to my website mv3trader.com and go to journal, and you will be able to see my progress here. I've been trading 23 days. Today is 24, and with today. So I did have a good day with this account, even though I got started late. I could have been honestly. Even I'm not even trading the way that I should be in this account because I should already be in step two by now. Um, Yesterday I passed up on a lot of trades. Days before I passed up on a lot of trades that would have put me already at the $2,000 mark. So you see today I got in here late after this emotional roller coaster for me right here. Once I had that. I'm not getting into what happened there in a minute, but once I had that situation happen to where I traded my account down too far, um, I had to take a break, got my emotions and everything back together. Then I came in and I took this trade here. So it's the only trade I took in the TS Trader Combine, right up in there. Ended up So I ended up walking away with 155 here. So a little bit of progress, still making progress to the 2K mark. Got less than $1,000 to go. So pretty soon I should be at um at that $2,000 mark to go move forward to step two. Hopefully, while I'm next week while I'm on vacation, the internet is good enough and then when I have some downtime, I trade. But if not, it's no big deal. I get back to it the following week. But like I said, you can track my progress. If I do, you can track my progress here on my website, and I keep everything. I keep you guys up to date that way. 'Cause I won't be having any. I won't be making any YouTube posts that week. All right. So what happened to me earlier? It'd be better. I ended up, taking some trades in here. This is a 1 minute. So I ended up taking some trades in here. Got stopped out a couple times. So the last trade that I took here manually that I placed myself, I overmanaged it. I was in here, somewhere in here. I don't remember exactly where it was, and then it popped up. My stop was like right up here, so I was like, I didn't want to take the full stop, so I went ahead and uh, took myself out of the trade, anticipating that it was going to go up to my stop, but it didn't. It stopped me out. I got out, and then it dropped right back down, and so I got back in, but this candle here, it looked, I was seeing a lot of resistance here, and I was kind of feeling some regret for getting in the trade because I saw a lot of resistance here. I mean, this is, my mind was, I don't know, I wasn't thinking. I just, I was over managing. I was thinking too much about it, and so I ended up, taking myself out right there, which resulted in a break even, and then it dropped down. So that was a little bit frustrating, and then I got another signal somewhere around in here that didn't work out. I think it was in this area right here, somewhere in there. It's supposed to be an arrow, but anyway, but that didn't work out. You can see I got stopped out up there. So I was really frustrated by this time. So I've been working on my automated trading. I felt like it was ready to go today. I just wanted to make some manual trades to kind of add some padding, but that didn't go the way that I wanted to go. So I just went ahead and put the automated system on, and it the price actually went in a good direction for my for the system that I had set up. But I had one little thing configured wrong in the settings, that when my entry was like somewhere in there, and it should have been to go short. Let's see. It was on a 5 minutes based on. So my entry should have been here to go short, but instead of a sell, I had it. I didn't change the setting to have a submit a sell order. It was still set to buy order, to a buy order. So I ended up going long here, and of course you see I got stopped out, and that's what took me out, took my account out, that one trade right there, to where I can't trade anymore futures contract until I put some more money in there. So yeah, and so yeah, that was a rough situation, and got myself back together. Then I came in here and made a little bit of money and a little progress in the Topstep account. So very interesting day this morning. But yeah, we get a nice little break and get some family time in next week. To do some studying or whatever. Enjoy the weekend, and definitely a learning experience that I need to. There's a few things that I need to work on as far as my trading and stuff, that I'm really going to, stop making these types of mistakes and things. But anyway, really interesting week. The market looks like it's kind of slowing down now, but just maybe for the lunchtime. With all these earnings and Amazon and Google and everything going on, there's no telling what can happen in the afternoon. As you see yesterday, we had after that bullish trading in the throughout the day we had some major sell-off, and I think that was, had something to do with earnings. So um, one thing that I have noted, I meant to mention it yesterday, but because I forgot since I did the recording so late, that one thing that I've noticed is, I wish I had it here. Let me see if I can set it up real quick. All right. Maybe kind of hard to see because you can't really. I don't know, this platform is not, very flexible. As far, it'd be nice if I could bring both of these or get rid of this section here. But anyway, without, messing up my whole platform. But or my whole the setup. But a lot of times you can see, um, the Russell tends to actually the Russell tends to lead the whole market, right? Typically, if you look at if you look at a daily, you see the drop off happened with the Russell way before it happened with any of with the Dow or the Nasdaq or the S&P. So that's something that I've noticed since I've been watching and trying and playing the Russell futures. Um, it's actually helped me make some trades on the Nasdaq in this account. So I don't know if you guys trade that or not, but that's something interesting that I noticed over the couple of weeks. So yeah, that's how it's been an interesting week. That's how my day went. Um, don't forget to, as usual, if you like what my videos, you go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I definitely have much more planned in the future to post. I want to start making some videos, giving out some some tips or, yeah, anything related to trading, or if you have an idea of what you would like for me to talk about based off my experience and things that I've learned, or anything that I talk about here, you want me to, whatever you guys would like for me to post some videos about, go ahead and leave that in the comment section below as well. And have a good weekend. I'll see you when I see you.